Welcome back, students. Dear students, today we are going to meet again in our online classes subject EVS. Children, today we are going to meet after a long gap. As you know that it was a unit test, and I congratulate the students, those who have participated in the unit test and successfully completed their examination. So children, from today we are going to start our next syllabus for first semester examination. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Let's start our study. So children, today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 7, our village, our city. Children, in this lesson, we are going to learn the difference about village and the city. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Children, get ready and start thinking what is the difference between village and city. Here is a picture in front of you, and you can see that in one corner you can see village, and in another corner you can see the city. Okay, so we know that this is village and this is city. Why we have differentiated between these two? Because we can find some differences between these two. Yes or no? So which are the differences? We have to see some points regarding this. So we can differentiate between village and city with the help of these points. Okay. So first point is houses. Now, how are the houses in the city and the village? So easily you can say that the houses in the city are big. Okay, we can see these are big buildings in the city, and here in the village you will see small houses in the village. Okay, these all are small houses in the village. The next point, dress. Okay, so in cities you will find people wearing shirts, jeans and modern type of dresses. But if you will go in villages, you will find ladies wearing sari, men wearing dhoti, like these dresses, simple type of dresses. Yes or no? Then next point comes means of transport. Everyone knows what is means of transport. Okay, the vehicles which are used for the purpose of transport are called means of transport. So in the city you will find truck, tempos are used to transport, and another in the village you will see bullock carts. Okay, mostly bullock carts are used in the villages. In the picture also you can see bullock carts. Next point comes industry. So in city you will find large scale industries, and in the villages you will find, of course, small scale industries. Next point, facilities. So which facilities are available in city and villages? If you will see the difference between these two, in city you will find so many types of facilities. Different types of facilities are available in the city, but in the village you will find lack of facilities. Okay, there are very less facilities in the villages, and lack of facility means there are few facilities which are lacking, which are not there in the villages, which are available in the cities. Okay, so these are the points which are telling us about the difference between city and villages. Okay, children, now let's turn the page number 40, and on this we are going to see can you tell. Okay, here are few questions in front of us, and we are going to solve these questions with the help of few pictures here. So in the picture you can see umbrella, then cabbage, then apple, then cauliflower, then shirt or jacket you can say, and bicycle. Okay, so let's see which are the questions. Which of the things in these pictures are produced on a farm? Easily you can say cauliflower, apple and cabbage can be produced in the farm. So can we produce umbrella, bicycle and jacket in the farm? No. Where else can these things be obtained? Where else can these things be obtained? We can get these things in the markets also. Am I right? So we can produce it in the farm and we can get it in the markets. Then next, which articles in the picture are produced in a factory? So which things in this picture are produced in the factory? So we can find the factory of bicycle, then cloth factory also we can get, and we can see the factories which are making, means small factories which are making umbrellas. Okay, not big one. So these things we can get in the factories, small factories or big factories. 4 number, where else can you find these articles? So you can find these articles in the market, in the shops of that particular, okay, umbrella shop, then cloth shop, then bicycle shop, you will find these things. For what purposes do we need these things? So these things we need for different purposes. You know very well. You start thinking, for what purpose we use umbrella? Yes, correct. In the rainy season we are using umbrella. Then bicycle. Bicycle we are using for the transport purpose. Then jacket, to protect our body. Okay, we are wearing jacket. Then which means of transport are used to move these goods to urban and rural areas? What is the question? First, let's know about urban and rural. What is mean by urban? Urban means city areas, okay, where you will get many things are developed. Okay, urban areas, city or town you can say. Rural areas means village area, countryside area. Okay, so in rural areas there are very less facilities available, as you know, and that's why whatever we want to get in the rural areas, we need to transport these things into rural areas from the urban areas. Okay, so for that purpose we are using different types of means of transport like trucks and tempos. Okay, so that we can get these all things available in the rural areas also. So grains, vegetables, milk, these things comes from the villages. So children, first try to understand that first we can get many things from the villages also, which are not available in the town, and many things we get from the town which are not available in the villages. So we need to transport from both sides. We need to transport the things which are available in the village to the town, and the things which are available in the town we need to transport it into the village. Correct. Bicycles, toys, books, these things comes from the city. So farming implements, clothes, medicines, automobiles, soaps, glass, light bulbs, and many other things are made in factories, and these factories are mostly situated near the city. People living both in villages and cities use all these things. Am I right? So which things are produced in the factories are used by the town people and by the village people also. Thus rural and urban people are dependent on each other for their needs. So grains, vegetable mix, milk, like these things are available in the villages. Many other things are available in the villages, and the people living in the town, they need it. So we need to transport all these things into the town from the village. And like bicycle, toys, books, medicines, farming implements, these things we need to transport it from the town to village, because both people need these things. So we can say that town people and rural area people, village people are dependent on each other for their need. But children, if you are thinking about the facilities available in the city and town, and nowadays what is the condition, earlier there was a big difference between the city and the village. Now this difference is reducing. Means what? Now there is no difference between city and village, because in the villages also now shops are available, different facilities are available in the villages, and which are available in the cities. These things we can get in the village also. Now slowly there is a development in the village also. So there is not that much difference nowadays in the village and the city. Okay, understood? I hope you understood this lesson. This was the starting of the lesson. Tomorrow we are going to learn about means of transport. Okay, read the lesson and learn well.